In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Google Docs. Whether you're managing a team project, organizing personal tasks, or handling data for your business, integrating these tools can streamline your workflow and improve your efficiency. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, we'll start off by heading over to Airtable. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Airtable.com. Once you're there, log into your Airtable account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up. It's a simple process and shouldn't take long. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Click on this icon to access a drop-down menu with various options. Among these, you'll see an option for integrations. Click on it. This will take you to a new page specifically for connecting Airtable with other applications and services. Now we need to connect Google Docs to Airtable. To do this, locate the plus Connect New Account button and give it a click. This is where the magic begins as you set the stage for integrating Google Docs with Airtable. Clicking on this button will prompt a new window to appear. You'll see a highlighted option in this window. Follow that highlight to initiate connecting the accounts. You'll be redirected to a page where you'll need to log into your Google account. Here, you'll be asked to select the Google account you want to use for this integration. If you see your account on the screen, go ahead and click on it. If not, you can add it manually at this point. After selecting your Google account, glance through the permissions being requested. These permissions allow Airtable to access specific information in your Google Drive, necessary for integration. Continue by clicking on the highlighted area to proceed. You might see multiple stages of permissions that require your attention. Next, to finalize the connection, look for the Continue button and click it. This step confirms your choices and completes the integration process. By doing so, you're granting Airtable the ability to seamlessly pull and push data to and from your Google Docs. Once you've completed these steps, the integration setup is done. You can now start utilizing both Airtable and Google Docs together, which should simplify your task managing and data handling. The integration opens up various possibilities for collaboration and productivity improvements. That wraps up our tutorial for today. You've successfully integrated Airtable with Google Docs. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you leverage the capabilities of both platforms to their fullest potential. Check back for more tutorials and tips, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.